Today we are going to do honey shortcakes. So these honey shortcakes will be really different to the normal preparation. So we will see how it's going to be like. For that also I need the cake mixture. That's going to be 125 grams of flour, butter, sugar and 2 eggs. So we will see how we are going to start on that. First I am going to use sugar. 125 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter we will use. First I will beat this. One at a time I will use the eggs. We have 2 eggs. For 125 grams of quantity, 2 eggs will be used. Once it's nicely creamed, then we add the 125 grams flour. Baking powder, salt, I used. Cream it well. It's for the short cakes that we are going to do this. First we will beat a little and there are ingredients to be added. We will add that later. Honey or treacle. We can add honey or treacle. Half a cup. Now I need desiccated coconut. 60 grams desiccated coconuts. Half a cup of treacle I used. Vanilla essence. Mix it well. Sultanas. Cashew nuts. Cherries. I'll keep a little cherries to put it later. Mix it nicely. Now I took a muffin tray. In this muffin tray I have put the paper cases. If you like, you can use the paper cases and do, or you can put an oil paper at the bottom and do it. This is, I said, short cakes. It's not the cupcakes, but for the cupcake you can use the same mixture. So now see, I put this mixture. Now what we can do is put a little cherries on top. We bake these short cakes for 20 minutes in the moderate oven, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. You bake for 20 minutes and take it. Quick, easy cakes. We will see how we are going to serve it. I have baked the short cakes. You can see how it looks. It looks like cupcakes, but you can have it as cupcakes, or you can have it even like muffins or shortcakes. Now I am going to decorate this, so you can see how we are going to decorate with butter icing. Using the meringue nozzle, butter icing, white butter icing that we are using. Small decoration that we could do it. Forget-me-nots. This type of shortcakes, party time, anytime guests come, or you can serve for tea time for your house only. But whatever said and done, you can make it nicely and decorate it, then only you feel like having it. So you can always enjoy preparing these type of preparation. Hope to see you soon with another episode. Before that, what will you do? You try out all these dishes, all these preparations, and give us a comment. Thank you for watching.